Today I'm going to show you how to make this tutu with a sponge loofah that I found at the dollar store. What you'll need is something to hold on the head wraps. I bought these at Walmart for 88 cents. So it'll be the head wraps around, and the gallon of water is heavy enough to hold it still while you knot these up. You can use some ribbon. I got some very thin ribbon and cut it into strips to put it in between the that's Henry to put them, and that's Victoria in between the strips. So what you want to do is you want to unravel the sponge that you bought. So I know that there's so many colors, so many ways you can make this. So what you want to do is you want to cut it 2 feet. So I'm just going to guess that's going to be 2 feet. You want it pretty long, and then you're just going to cut it. And here you go. This is the strip that you'll have after you cut it. And next you want to scrunch it up in the middle, and this is what you'll have. So this is what you're going to get, and you're going to cut it right down the middle. So right down the middle is where you want to cut it. So you're going to have 2 strips at the end. So you just want to cut this in the middle, and there you go. So you have 1 long strip. So you got 2 out of that long one. You're going to then fold it in half. And I already have some here pre-made. I already created this one. And this right here is 1 full sponge that I made prior to this video. So you can see how much of that tutu I already made. So I think with 2 of those, with 2 sponges, it'll be enough for like around a 1-year-old. So you want to grab your strip and you're going to fold it in half. You're going to place it in the front of the head wrap. You're going to do a knot, and then you're going to place the long part from the bottom, grab it, and pull, and that's how you do the knot. And there you go. And then you just keep doing that until you get to the very end. I would suggest getting between 2 or 3 sponges. I think 2 would be enough if you're adding extra ribbon, or tulle if you have any extra tulle. So I thought this would be really neat. So I'm pretty excited. So this is perfect if you're on the hurry for just a quick Halloween costume idea. And let me know in the comments what you think. Bye!